Hi guys, here we are again looking at game theory. This one is the 2015 question from, I think it's number 2 from 2015, and this is just another example of game theory. We actually did this one in class way back in October, but I doubt you'll remember that, and if you do, then so be it. We'll review this. It's a fast one, and I think this is another likelihood. Last year's exam on 2019, they talked about the Nash equilibrium and then cheating within the game. And so we'll talk about what those words mean in this question as well. So looking at this question, it says Breadbasket and Quick Lunch, they're the only two sandwich shops serving a small town. Each shop can choose high price or low price. And then now here we go, the first step here. Breadbasket's on the left. That means the first number in each box belongs to Breadbasket. And then on the right, we have Quick Lunch. That means the second number in each box belongs to Quick Lunch. We have to remember how to read this thing before we can do any questions at all. That's always the important part. First question then says, does each shop have a dominant strategy set a high price, a dominant strategy set a low price, or does it have no dominant strategy? So I'm glad that that's the first question. Dominant strategy means that regardless of what the other side does, one side will always make the same decision. So let's look at Breadbasket as our first point of order here. Breadbasket here is on the left. That means they're comparing high to low this way. And so looking at Breadbasket, if Breadbasket goes low and Quick Lunch goes high, that means we're in this box down here. If Breadbasket goes low and Quick Lunch goes high, Breadbasket will earn 120. Would they wish to change their mind? The answer is no, because 120 is greater than 105. Now, moving over to the next box, if Breadbasket is still going low, and now we're saying that Quick Lunch has gone low as well, will Breadbasket want to change their mind here? And the answer again is no. They'll stay at 75. The point is, Breadbasket will always go low, because low is always better for Breadbasket. Regardless of what Quick Lunch does, Breadbasket will always go low. That means Breadbasket does have a dominant strategy, and Breadbasket's dominant strategy is to go low. So now we're going to do this all over again, and we're going to take a look at Quick Lunch. Quick Lunch is now comparing high to low side to side like this. So if Quick Lunch goes low and Breadbasket goes high, Quick Lunch will be earning 130. Would they wish to change their mind from 130 down to 110? The answer is no. 130 is more, so they'll stay where they're at. If Quick Lunch is still low, and now Breadbasket also goes low, so now we're in this box here, will Quick Lunch wish to change their mind to the 80? The answer is yes. So Quick Lunch would change their mind to high. The point here is Quick Lunch will change their mind to earn different money based on what Breadbasket does. That means Quick Lunch has no dominant strategy. So now, looking at the next question, it says, if the two shops do not cooperate on setting prices, what will the profit for each shop be? All right, so they're not cooperating. That means that we are looking for the non-cooperative outcome. In the non-cooperative outcome, both sides will practice what's called max-min strategy to maximize the minimum. So what we need to do is we need to identify the lowest number for Breadbasket. The lowest number for Breadbasket is this 40. That means Breadbasket will never choose high. We knew that already because Breadbasket has a dominant strategy to go low, but this reinforces that. Now looking at Quick Lunch, their lowest number for Quick Lunch, we have a 110, 130, 70, and 80. This is their lowest number here. So they'll never go low. That means that the non-cooperative outcome is that Breadbasket will earn 120 and Quick Lunch will earn 80. So letter C then says, the town government is concerned that food prices are too high. It decides to give a daily subsidy of $20 to any shop that chooses to set its prices low. This is another example where we're going to have to go through the grid and modify the numbers for anything that's low. So in this box, box 1, high, high, that does us no good. In this box, box 2, it goes high, low. So this number becomes 150. And this one's low high, so this becomes 140, and then this is low low, so this is 95 and 90. Remember, subsidy means they are adding or giving money. They could be tricksy and decide to say that they are putting a tax, in which case they will lower the numbers, remember? Or they even could say remove the subsidy. That'd be a bummer. If we remove a subsidy, it means they're taking money away. It's similar to a tax. So let's take a look at what the question actually asks now that we've redrawn the matrix. Using your redrawn matrix, answer reads to the following. Would Quick Lunch choose to set high or low? Explain using specific values from your redrawn matrix. Would Quick Lunch choose to set high or low? Well, we have to analyze if they have a dominant strategy, so let's look. And so if Quick Lunch is low and Breadbasket's high, that means we're in this box 2 in the upper right-hand corner. They won't change their mind. They'll stay at the $1.50. Now looking down here in this box here, if Quick Lunch is choosing low, they would never change their mind because they would be losing money, and instead they're now earning 90. So looky, Quick Lunch has a dominant strategy as a result of this matrix. They will always go low. Okay, so would Quick Lunch choose to set high or low using specific values? So what we would have to say, Quick Lunch will always go low because their profits are always larger no matter what Breadbasket does. They would earn 150 if Breadbasket chooses high. They would earn 90 if Breadbasket chooses low. That's instead of 110 and 80. So finally, then we get to the last little question here. It says, would profits for Breadbasket increase, decrease, or stay the same? Well, let's take a look at the original question. Previously, we were earning, in the non-cooperative outcome, we saw these companies earning 120 and then 80. Now, what we're going to see happen in the new non-cooperative outcome is that this is the new answer. Because what Quick Lunch will scratch out here, Breadbasket will scratch out here, and so here's the non-cooperative outcome. As a result of the subsidy, Quick Lunch is now earning more, 90 instead of 80. It says explain with a comparison to B1. And so they are earning 90 instead of 80, but, and it doesn't ask this, or no, it is saying Breadbasket, I'm sorry, I just did Quick Lunch, okay. So Breadbasket is going to be earning 95 versus 120, which is what we saw there, correct? And so the end result is now that Breadbasket's profit is going to go down to 95 instead of 120, but Quick Lunch's profit goes up to 90 from 80. This is the way that they would ask you to present an answer on the AP exam. Something like this, as a result of you doing something like this on a piece of paper in response to their AP exam question. I hope this helps. And AP did post a bunch of guidance about the test, by the way. I'll be posting that on the website here shortly. I hope you guys are having a good day. Take care.